Gisrael is sitting down by himself, sort of, holding up the mommy woo. He's about to fall, so let's just put him down for now. We're gonna do a video. Everybody say hello. This is the Hamut, eh? This is the Hamut, Asher Yisrael. Okay, now we're gonna show everybody how you like to try to crawl a little bit. Let's maybe do a roll. Doesn't know what's going on here. Mommy's doing crazy things. Roll, roll, roll. He knows how to roll by himself, but he knows what's going on. Okay, now, Asher, come to mommy. Come to mommy. Mommy's not so far. Oh, kick, 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 kick. Kick, 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 kick. You just want to smile? Smiling's good.